Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, you need to select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. Then open it. Now access background apps by clicking on this button with 3 lines. And in order to continue, click on the icon of your app. Finally, select Open in pop-up view from the list. And as you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can also use it to overlay the other app by accessing the other one and operating in both. If you want to turn this app into a bubble, you can always do that by clicking on Home button. Then you can even move the bubble. In order to close your window, you can swipe your app in the background or turn it into a bubble and drag it to remove area at the bottom. If remove is red, you need to let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!